Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming pattern fit and fabric readiness. Try a toil if unsure. Lay fabric on grain, place pattern pieces with nap and bias in mind, cut precisely and transfer notches. Fuse interfacing to collar, lapel, and front facing. This shapes the jacket. Once done, label and pin each piece so you don't mix them later. These early choices determine shoulder structure and final silhouette, so take measured actions now. You'll join the main body by sewing shoulder seams first. Press them toward the back to create a clean line. Next, set in the sleeves using easing stitches so the cap sits smoothly. Then sew side and underarm seams continuously to maintain alignment. Construct the collar and lapel pieces, understitch where needed, and baste them into the neckline to evaluate the lapel roll and balance. Make sure to check fit on the dress form so you can refine seams before final finishing. You finish the blazer by attaching the lining, align shoulders and sew around edges, then understitch to keep facings flat, hand sew the lining hem for an invisible finish. Add buttonholes and buttons, top stitch along front edges if you want a crisp look, and insert shoulder pads for structure. If fit issues remain, alter side seams, adjust hem length or clip curves to reduce bulk. Troubleshooting tip: if lapel gapes, steam with a tailored ham.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.